Another Christmas in jail for Noel Maitland as the family of Donna Donaldson tried to come to terms with the reality that her body will never be found. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Noel Maitland, the policeman accused of the killing of his girlfriend Donna Donaldson in July 2022, will spend a second Christmas in jail. Maitland, who was arrested on July 27, 2022, was again remanded in custody when he appeared in the Supreme Court on Wednesday, and his next court date is set for January 17, 2024. His attorney, Christopher Townsend, was scheduled to enter a renewed bail application. However, prosecutors said that plans to apply for bail again were abandoned. Maitland was denied bail in October last year, at which time interference was cited as one of the factors for the decision. Judge Graham Allen said that at the time that the court was satisfied that there was substantial grounds to believe that if Maitland was released on bail, he would fail to surrender to custody, commit an offense while on bail, interfere with witnesses, and otherwise obstruct the course of justice. Graham Allen said that there was no condition that could adequately manage the risks. Maitland's legal team had later indicated that they would be renewing the bail application on the grounds that their client's health was deteriorating, but declined to forward with it on Wednesday. During his appearance in court on Wednesday, Maitland was dressed in a business suit but had a worried look on his face inside the courtroom, especially at the point when the police were putting handcuffs on him in order to lead him back to jail. Sophia Lugg, Donna Donaldson's mother, was present at court on Wednesday but was not allowed inside the courtroom for the hearing. Justice Graham Allen said that she hadn't allowed Maitland's father inside the court, so it was only fair to do so the same for Lugg. Prosecutors in the matter told Judge Graham Allen on Wednesday that the case file is ready to proceed to trial. But before a trial date can be set, prosecutors said that they need more time to prepare the list of witnesses in the case and to serve it to the defense team. Judge Graham Allen was told that the prosecutors will need at least 2 weeks to hand over the list. The prosecutors said that they were awaiting 3 statements in the matter, but based on how things have been going, they are ready to proceed without them. Christopher Townsend complained that his client was being targeted and sabotaged by a police, whom he said was present in court on Wednesday. Constable Noel Maitland is accused of murdering and unlawfully disposing of the corpse of his social media personality girlfriend, Donna Donaldson, in July 2022. She was last seen in Maitland's company on July the 11th, 2022 at his Chelsea Minor apartment in New Kingston. She was reported missing on July the 13th last year. According to the police, they found a wealth of circumstantial evidence to convince them that Donna Donaldson was dead and that she was killed on July the 12th, 2022 between the hours of 4 p.m. and 8 p.m. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.